more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.